Hello guys, this is Teacher L. For today, we're going to continue the part 2 of our discussion about PEMDAS rule. We have quantity 15 minus 5 minus 9 plus 4 squared divided by 2 cubed plus 7. So first, unahin natin yung nasa parentheses. So we have 15 minus 5 minus 9. So that is equal to 1. Tapos copy na lang natin yung the rest. After that, we have the exponent. So we have 4 squared tsaka 2 cubed. So copy natin yung 1. Then we simplify 4 squared, that is 16, or 4 times 4. Then 2 cubed or 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. Then copy lang natin yung positive 7. After that, we multiply. So wala naman tayong multiplication. So proceed tayo sa division. So we divide 16 by 8. So that is 2. So copy natin yung 1, copy natin yung 7, then 16 divide 8, that is 2. After that, we add 1 plus 2 plus 7, that is 10. So for this example, our answer is 10. For our last example, we have 9 minus 2 minus 5 plus 3 squared plus quantity 3 times 5. Unahin natin yung nasa parentheses. So we have 9 minus 2 minus 5 and 3 times 5. So for our solution, that is 9 minus 2 minus 5, that is 2. Copy natin yung 3 squared. We simplify 3 times 5, that is 15. After parentheses, we go to the exponent. So isa lang yung exponent natin, that is 3 squared. So copy na natin yung 2. We simplify 3 squared, that is 3 times 3, that is 9. Tapos copy na natin yung 15. 2 plus 9 plus 15, that is 26. So for this problem, our answer is 26. I hope na nakatulong tong video na to sa iyo. Please don't forget to hit that follow button. Thank you!